In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound on Chrome Remote Desktop. If you're connected to another computer remotely and can't hear any audio, don't worry. This is a common issue and it's usually very easy to fix. Whether you're trying to watch a video, listen to audio, attend an online meeting, or simply hear sounds from the remote computer, this tutorial will walk you through several quick solutions. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check Chrome settings, audio controls, and a few common causes of sound problems in Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get started. First, open Chrome Remote Desktop and connect to the remote computer. Wait for the remote session to load completely. Once connected, try playing some audio on the remote computer. For example, you can open a video or music file to test whether sound is working. If you don't hear anything, the first thing to check is whether Chrome has muted the site. Move your cursor to the tab at the top of Chrome where the remote session is running. Now right-click on that tab. This will open a menu with several options. If you see an option that says Unmute Site, click on it. This means the site was previously muted and Chrome was blocking all audio from the remote session. Once you click Unmute Site, try playing audio again. If the sound starts working, then the issue is solved. You should also notice that the muted speaker icon disappears from the tab. If the audio is still not working, check the volume on your local computer. Make sure your speakers or headphones are connected properly. Also verify that your device volume isn't muted or set too low. Next, check the volume on the remote computer itself. Sometimes the remote computer may be muted or the volume level may be turned down. Open the volume settings on the remote computer and increase the volume if necessary. After that, test the audio again. Another simple fix is to refresh the connection. Disconnect from the remote session and reconnect. Temporary connection issues can sometimes prevent audio from being transmitted correctly. Once you're reconnected, test the sound again. You can also try closing Chrome completely and reopening it, then reconnect to the remote computer. This can help resolve temporary browser-related issues. If you're using Bluetooth headphones or external speakers, make sure they are selected as the active audio output device on your local computer. Sometimes audio may be playing through a different device without you realizing it. It's also a good idea to make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. New updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can solve audio-related issues. One helpful tip is to test audio using more than one application. For example, if audio isn't working in a video player, try opening a different website or application on the remote computer. This can help determine whether the problem is with Chrome Remote Desktop or the application itself. As a quick recap, connect to the remote computer, check if the Chrome Remote Desktop tab is muted, select Unmute Site if necessary, verify the volume on both computers, reconnect the session, and make sure the correct audio devices are selected. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the sound issue and get audio working again. And that's it. Now you know how to fix sound on Chrome Remote Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.